Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to change aspect ratio and video dimensions in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Chrome and download the Wondershare Filmora application. When you did that, you just need to log into your profile, but that is not necessary. As you can see guys, in the left corner, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help options. And we also have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and Split Screen options. The Export option is great because we don't have anything to export at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change aspect ratio and video dimensions in Filmora. What you need to do guys is first of all have a video in. So I'll be putting a video here just for the sake of this video. So basically when you put it in, like so, you can go and drag it then down here by clicking on it and dragging it down and then letting of course your screen. How you can actually go guys and do this, it's pretty simple. So you need to change the aspect ratio and the video dimensions. What you need to do is you can go and right click on the video. You can go and crop it, zoom it. You can crop it to fit. You can do a lot of things. You can also go and click on video here and click on the button here and make it smaller like this. So those are some of the options how you can do it, but this is one of the more easiest option that I prefer to do. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys. And if you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it guys. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.